Hi, my name is Kabir Muhammad, and I'm going to be making a video, which that is culturally relative to specific students that are relative to that culture. A lot of times, um, students may read analytical problems and may not understand them or get bored of the problem and may not be into problems because it may not be relevant to something that they may naturally hear in their society. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a problem that is gonna be converting percents to decimal, and I guess I'll start it off like this. Let's say Michael Jordan. He makes Jordan shoes. Everyone knows about Michael Jordan, the basketball player. He sells quite a bit of shoes. So, let's say Michael Jordan has a shoe agent, and it's his cousin. His name is uh, J. Cole. Okay, J. Cole is hypothetically is his cousin. So let's write this out. We have Michael Jordan's shoe agent can you see that? Oh, it's kind of off. Okay, let me slide this over this way. Okay, right there. So Michael Jordan's shoe agent. I have all this room over here. Alright, I'll write it over here. More room. Okay, let's say Michael Jordan's shoe agent J. Cole. J. Cole the rapper. He receives 6% off the selling price the selling price of Michael Jordan's 11 shoe, better known as Space Jams. Okay? Actually, let's make them the 12s because I'm wearing a pair of Jordans, which are the Michael Jordan 12s. I'll take them off here. Okay? He makes 6% off of this shoe. And let's say what's the selling price for this shoe? $175 for a Michael Jordan shoe. Okay? So, off the selling price of J. Cole receives 6% off the selling price of the Jordan 12s. Okay? If the selling price is $175, no, made a mistake. If he receives $10.5 off this shoe, so if he receives $10.5 every time this shoe is sold, what is the price of the shoe? price of the shoe. Now, we call this commission. So in other words, if I was to ask, Michael Jordan's shoe agent, J. Cole, received 6% off the selling price of the Jordan 12 shoe. If he received $10.5 commission every time this shoe is sold, what is the price of the shoe? Now, let's define what commission is. Commission is a form of payment for a specific service that one has done to help a person. We're like a real estate agent. A real estate agent helps someone sell a home. In this case, J. Cole helped Michael Jordan sell his shoes. So he received 6% commission of off the shoe. So let's define it. Commission is payment for services to help a person. Again, this is my definition. It's not a Webster's definition, but it gives you an understanding of what commission is. Okay. Now, how do we find the total price of the shoe? Okay, this is how we're gonna set it up. How should I do this for you guys? Okay. Let's say A, we know 6%. He received 6%. Let's say X equals 10.5. Now, how do you find the result of this? Well, it's very easy to do. What you do is we just solve for X. Now, to turn this percent into a decimal value is very, very simple. What you do is you take any number you get. In order to find the the decimal value of that number, you move the decimal point over from the beginning. Say you had 6%. 6, it starts there. So you move it 2 decimal places to the left. 1, 2. And that is your decimal value. Now say if you want to find 50, you have 50 here. You want to find the percent of 50%. So you move 1, 2. So this will equal 0.5. Now, 0.06 is smaller than 0.5. 6 is less than 50. Okay, so this will be 0.06. That is smaller than 0.5. We'll get into decimal values in another time. However, in this case, to solve for X, to solve for the total value of the shoe, you turn this into a decimal value because you can't divide a percent by a decimal. So what you do is you turn this percent to a decimal, so 0.06. Again, you just move the decimal place over from the beginning, from the ones place to the tens place. So 1, 2, and you have 6%. Now what you do is you divide You get x by itself by dividing. So we have x equals 10.5. Now, divide that over to get x by itself and you solve for x. X. I don't have a calculator. What do I do? On my laptop. So 10.5 divided by 0.06 equals $175. Now, that is the answer. 175. This shoe cost me $175 plus tax. Every time someone buys a Michael Jordan shoe for $175, J. Cole receives $10.5. Now, if 1 million people bought that shoe for $175, this man is going to make a lot of money. So guys, that's my video on percents to decimal, analytical values, analytical problems. Hopefully it was helpful. Again, this is a culturally relevant video tutorial, and I hope you like it.